Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to trade forex currency pairs on your Bybit account without having to download MT5 or any other broker. You can trade forex currency pairs directly on your Bybit. Yes, you can do that. But before we get started with the video, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on post notification so that I can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Alright, without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. So right here is your Bybit homepage, where you'll be seeing all of the things. You'll be seeing P2P, demo trading, TradeFi, puzzle hunts, more. So right now you're just going to be clicking on this more right here. You click on more. Once you click on more, you come down to this section right here. You can see TradeFi right here. Once you click on TradeFi, this is how it's going to look up, right? This is how it's going to pop up. Now if you want to start trading forex pairs, you can see actually there is gold here. You can, if you look right here, you'll be seeing gold, you'll be seeing DJ30, NAS 100, S&P 500. And so right now, if you want to start trading forex, you can see forex right here. You click on forex. Now if you click on this forex, you'll be seeing AUD card, all the forex pairs right here. They are right listed on Bybit. You don't have to download any other broker like MT5. You can start trading forex pairs directly on your Bybit. And if you want to trade anyone, you just click on it, set your limit order, and that's it. You can place the trade directly on your Bybit app. So don't forget to subscribe if you watched this video up to this time, and don't forget there will also be a link in the description below to our Telegram channel where we share our trade signals every single day. And also, if you're watching this video, you don't have an account with Bybit, there will be a link in the description below where you can download your Bybit and also get a discount for doing that. So right now, if you want to trade any crypto pair, just click on any crypto forex pairs rather of your choice. You can see we have AUD USD, we have CAD CHF, we have CAD JPY, CHF JPY, and so on and so forth. So that's just all about this video on how to trade forex pairs using your Bybit app. If you're still watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.